Hello everyone, my name is Dilip Yadav and today I'm here to demonstrate our project. The title of the project is Habit Tracker App. So before start the demonstration of our project, let me discuss something about our project that will help you to understand what the project is and how the project is work. So basically this is an habit tracker app from where you can add your multiple habits and track your habits on a daily basis. To understand more about the projects, let's start the demonstration of our project. So here you can see this is an final UI of our project, and here you can enter your habits, and here is an add button to add your habits, and here is a track of your habits on a daily basis. Let me add something, and click here to add habits. Let's see, the habits are added successfully, and here you can see in every below the every day has an checked and unchecked buttons to mark them as incomplete or incomplete, or leave them as a default. If you want to mark them, if you want to mark them as incomplete, then click here and mark them as incomplete, and if you want to mark them as an incomplete, then click here again and mark them as an incomplete, or leave it as an default, or mark them as incomplete. Let me add another one, and click here to add, and let's see, the habits are added successfully, and mark them as an complete or incomplete. And here is a delete button to delete your habits. Let's see, and here you can see the habits are deleted successfully. So this is overall demonstration of our project, from where you can add your habits, delete your habits, and track your habits. Thank you for watching me.